You are listening to the Emergency News Network, where we broadcast music, the weather service, upcoming events, and more. Today, we are expected to have some showers today in the state of Texas. A chance of thunderstorms is 10%, so it's likely that it won't happen. But I'm supposed to be broadcasting the weather service, not giving out my own opinions. Anyways, throughout the rest of the week will be sunny skies, with a temperature between 70 and 80 degrees. Winds will be up to 10 miles per hour. Yeah, I know I'm being lazy, but it's just that I trying to get out of here as soon as possible because I'm so hungry and I wanna eat right now. This is what I get for waking up late. Anyways, there are currently no events today, but at around 1 p.m. on Saturday, a NASCAR race will be taking place in the city of Nebraska City, Nebraska. It might be the first day of summer vacation, so I hope you all have a great summer vacation, as it's starting out to be a blast for some of my friends. Hopefully I get my summer break soon. I'm gonna get fired for saying that over the air. Wait a minute. Reports are coming in from the Texas Police Department that a strange individual has been discovered somewhere in southern Texas. This creature is not showing any signs of hostility at this time. However, the Texas Police Department is advising all residents to shelter indoors at this time as a precaution. So far, that's all we know. Now back to our topic. Events. Yeah, we have a lot of events next week and almost this entire month. So far, summer vacation starts off with a NASCAR race in Nebraska at 1 p.m. Saturday. Welcome to the BBC News. A creature of unknown has been spotted roaming around the state of Texas. So far, it hasn't shown any signs of hostility at this time, but this could change at any time. Yeah, this individual has been confirmed by civil authorities that this is a creature now. Police, as well as civil authorities, are trying to collect information about this creature right now. Due to its looks, there is a good solid chance of where this creature is hostile, but cannot be confirmed at this time. As a precaution, the Texas Police Department is strongly, severely advising all residents in Texas to stay indoors at this time. If you choose not to, you are putting your life at risk. If you want to take extreme precautions, evacuations are permitted at this time. Otherwise, stay inside as a precaution. But you can continue your daily routine if you want to. But I'm making smart decisions by staying inside the studio and I'm not going back home until this situation gets taken care of because I'm not in the mood to die. Make smart decisions. Again, this is not an order, but is strongly recommended to avoid any possible danger with this creature. Some people are beginning to believe that this creature is from the Skinwalker movies, but cannot be confirmed at this time. So yeah, stay indoors at this time as a precaution. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. The creature has been inspected by the police department, and this creature is actually a character from the Skinwalker movies. We don't care which one, because the only thing we care about is that it's hostile. This creature, known as Skinwalker, was last seen attacking people and killing people in its sight. Everyone in Texas, shelter in place immediately. This creature is considered extremely dangerous and extremely deadly. Seeing this creature killing others is crazy explicit. Do not attempt to kill this creature, as it will result in a very terrifying and hellish death. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. Skinwalker has spread into other areas across the state of Texas. Already, 50 people have been brutally murdered by Skinwalker. Additionally, Skinwalker has given birth to several creatures that are just as bad as Skinwalker. It is believed that Skinwalker is cloning itself when giving birth. As a result, Skinwalker, along with its clones, are expected to spread to more areas in Texas, surrounding states of Texas, and the entire central United States in the next 4 to 6 hours. All residents of the central United States are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. Should you choose not to, you are putting your life at risk and in extreme danger. If you need to restock on supplies, do so now. If you want to evacuate, do so now at this time. To shelter in place, this means getting indoors immediately, lock all windows and doors, black any and all possible entrances with tape or damp towels, close all fireplace dampers, and turn off all lights immediately. An underground shelter containing food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, or anything necessary until further notice. Power outages have already occurred as a result of this crisis. You are ordered to not panic during this crisis, as panicking will not increase your chance of survival. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Evacuation immediate. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. Several skinwalkers have broken into underground shelters and killed anyone inside it. Additionally, some skinwalkers broke into several power plants across Texas, which caused extreme damage to the reactors. As a result, the Texas Police Department is urging all residents in the state of Texas to evacuate the state immediately. Make sure to pack plenty of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, or anything necessary for your journey. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Oh crap, a skinwalker broke into the studio. No, get away from me. I better get out of here. Help me, I'm being attacked. You're listening to the Emergency News Network, where we broadcast music, the weather service, upcoming events, and more. Today, we are expected to have some showers today in the state of Texas. A chance of thunderstorms is 10%, so it's likely that it won't happen. But I'm supposed to be broadcasting the weather service, not giving out my own opinions. Anyways, throughout the rest of the week will be sunny skies, with a temperature between 70 and 80 degrees. Winds will be up to 10 miles per hour. Yeah, I know I'm being lazy, but it's just that I'm trying to get out of here as soon as possible because I'm so hungry and I want to eat right now. This is what I get for waking up late. Wait a minute, I'm getting reports about a creature that looks like Skinwalker roaming around the state of Ohio. This creature is confirmed to be extremely dangerous and is considered deadly to all life. Shelter in place immediately to avoid any danger from this creature. Frick, Skinwalker broke into the studio. I better get out of here. Help me, I'm getting attacked.
The following message is transmitted at the request of your mom. The following message is transmitted at the request of Superstar Studios Animations. The voice, Tom, is officially being used. I thought that voice was off the list. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Government States. Oh my god, this is getting annoying. Yay, I forgot my script, which means I don't know my lines. Please restart again. There, I now have my script and I'm ready to go. Great, I bet hundreds of people have already died. Because I never reported the emergency I'm about to report.
Well then, why don't you shut the freak up and get to the subject already?
Hey, did I say to start the camera? Oh, forget it, it doesn't matter. Anyways, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. The creature has been inspected by police. They confirmed that this creature is indeed hostile. In fact, this creature is actually a character from the Skinwalker movies. This character is known as Skinwalker. And this creature has been killing a ton of people in the state of Texas. It is unknown if Skinwalker will spread any further, but it is possible at this time. Stay tuned to this station for more information on my YouTube channel and why you're so stupid as frick.
Alright, get out of here.
Wait, what?
Now that that moron is gone, I can explain what's going on. You all may already know, but I'm telling you this anyways because Tom was so mean and rude that I'm sure you've forgotten about what's going on here. Oh, and those bleep sound effects and screens didn't get Tom the hook. In fact, it just wasted more time. Wait. Frick, I think I just wasted some more time too.
Ha ha, you're stupid.
Are you the one reporting Tom? No, you freaking aren't. Frick you and get out of here, you mean psycho. Gosh, that freaking idiot. Sorry about that. Tom is just a little crap, isn't he? Anyways, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. The creature has been inspected by police. They confirm that this creature is indeed hostile. In fact, this creature is actually a character from the Skinwalker movies. This character is known as Skinwalker, and this creature has been killing a ton of people in the state of Texas. It is unknown if Skinwalker will spread any further, but it is possible at this time. What the freak is going on here? Crap, I better get out of here. Skinwalker just broken. Tom, this is when I need your frickin' butt, dude. Tom, where the frick are you? Tom, are you frickin' deaf or something? Tom, help me. I'm getting attacked. Do you think I'm frickin' joking right now? Tom, open this frickin' door right now. Let me in. A Skinwalker just got in and I think it's close to finding me. Tom, what's going on in there? Oh my god, I better get out of here.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Skinwalker, along with its clones, have spread across the central, mountain, and eastern states across the United States. Nearly 500 deaths have been reported across these states, along with mass destruction in large cities, towns, and neighborhoods. So far, killing a Skinwalker is considered impossible, as these Skinwalkers have been proven to be ineffective with any forms of weaponry. These Skinwalkers are continuing to spread to other states across the United States. The military is trying to get permission to launch a nuclear missile to the United States to kill the Skinwalkers. However, a nuclear missile would most likely not do anything. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the U.S. Army. The U.S. Army launched a nuclear missile to the United States to kill the Skinwalkers. As a result, all residents across the United States are ordered to shelter in place immediately, as nuclear fallout will be everywhere after the impact. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks or explosions. For the long exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It may only take a minute for the effects of fallout to spread. From its impact area, it can spread hundreds of miles. To take precautions, put on a gas mask to avoid accidentally breathing in fallout somehow. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Due to the Skinwalkers causing massive damage to the military, It may take a while for the military to come up with new solutions to this situation because they'll be too busy trying to get back up after a large attack from the skinwalkers, especially from the nuclear explosion. Because the nuclear explosion didn't do anything to the skinwalkers, these skinwalkers are proven to be ineffective with all forms of weaponry. I don't understand how this is possible. This is a character from a TV show, so I'd assume these animals would be easy to kill, but these animals seem to be apocalypsed. Because of this, all residents across the United States are ordered to shelter in place immediately. Close, lock, and block any possible entrances to prevent any skinwalkers from coming into your shelter. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The United States government, along with the military, has come up with a solution that might work to kill these skinwalkers. The military has created these machines that consume all forms of animals, which these skinwalkers count. These machines have been put into place, and can only be controlled by the military, with the exception of the United States government. If this plan fails, we are doomed. So far, that's all for now. Stay in your shelters. Make sure your pets are inside your shelters so they don't get consumed by these machines. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The skinwalker situation is getting worse. The U.S. Army has been attacked by the skinwalkers. No survivors have been reported at this time, and it is most likely that no survivors will be reported due to several bombs going off in the attack. Additionally, the skinwalkers are continuing to spread to other areas across the North American continent. Additionally, the military's plan about the machines consuming the skinwalkers failed, as the skinwalkers were able to destroy the machines without being consumed. They are also very fast, and they are able to outrun the machines, in which the machines are using as much power as possible to go faster, but then quickly runs out of power. The skinwalkers also find ways to destroy the machines without being consumed. Due to failed efforts to consume the skinwalkers, these animals have spread across the North and South American continent. The military is still trying to figure out a solution to this crisis. It is expected for these skinwalkers to spread even farther, and it is possible where they can spread across the Atlantic Ocean and beyond. Remain tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The skinwalkers continue to cause more chaos across the North and South American continent. The skinwalkers are continuing to kill people in very gory ways, very gruesome ways, and boy, the world just went to hell, you guys. The president is nowhere to be found, and the White House has been attacked by the skinwalkers. The president was able to escape before this attack. The most concerning thing is, these skinwalkers are also beginning to swim in the oceans and are beginning to spread into Japan and Europe. The United Nations are currently declaring emergencies in the areas that will soon be affected by this event. There have been no attempts to kill these skinwalkers that have ended successfully. If you are still alive, please get ready for your eventual death, as everything is hitting rock bottom. Rely on your own methods to protect yourself.
We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A global emergency now exists. Reports from continents across the world about skinwalkers attacking and eating humans in one gulp have come in every second starting a few minutes. The skinwalkers are beginning to dig down, and some have even reached the earth crust, and they are beginning to eat the earth crust and even its surface. There will be no way of surviving an event like this. Every plan to kill these skinwalkers failed, and no more plans are available at this time. At this time, gather your friends, family, pets, or anything that makes you comfortable, and await your eventual death. Everyone, we tried our best, but we still failed. We did good though. This station will now sign off. I'm sorry everyone. Good luck in the afterlife.